Hi everyone, my name is Riaz and today we are in my apartment. So we're gonna be making some authentic Honduran spaghetti. This is a very simple dish and one that I grew up eating, and I'm also joined by my mom who's gonna be helping me cook today.
Hi, how are you guys?
This dish has like two main parts to it. So it's a combination of like rice and spaghetti. So the rice I did ahead of time. I think most people probably know how to make rice. I used canilla, which is like common for us, but it's like just long grain, like white rice. So I already have that all set. So the next main component of the dish is just spaghetti. So I'm just gonna add the spaghetti to the boiling water. All right.
Don't forget to add a little bit of oil so the spaghettis don't stick together.
I did that ahead of time.
Okay, good.
Right now I'm adding salt to the water as well. I should have done that before. The first step here is to chop like onion, right?
Chop the onions, the green peppers to have them ready.
I'm only doing onion today because I don't like green pepper. And I always remind you, Ma, I don't like green pepper.
I know, he always used to take them out, but I always add green pepper.
Yeah. Why would you say we ate this a lot growing up?
Because it's not too expensive to make it and it tastes really, really good. So this was a way for the children to be getting meat in a meal. Hot dogs in the spaghettis.
And then I guess the next thing we have is the hot dogs, right?
Yeah, you can cut up the hot dogs small little round pieces.
This dish has a lot of carb in it. Why do we eat like rice with pasta?
Spanish people cannot eat without rice, my dear.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing too. Like, I feel like most people wouldn't expect like pasta to go with rice, but like it actually goes really well together. So for the sauce, it'll be a little bit of water, tomato paste, and tomato sauce. We'll typically add sour cream. For us, we call it mantequilla, or like some people call it crema. I like using Salvador.
That's the best one, yeah.
And then I don't know if everyone else adds this, but my mom really likes to add Coca Cola to it. So I think part of it is because my mom like loves Coca Cola. But
I remember the first time you saw me putting Coca Cola in, and you were like, "What?"
Yeah, I know. Growing up, like I used to love like watching my mom cook. And so like I would always be catching like little things she would do in different dishes. For the sauce, how much water should I add into it?
Very little, like 1 cup of water.
All right. Right now I am just adding the hot dogs into the water for the sauce. Oh man.
The first sauce that you're gonna add is the pastry, because it's so thick that it needs more time to develop.
There's like a lot in here. Next we'll add in the tomato sauce. And then you'll just want to mix everything. So right now it looks like the spaghetti's ready, so I'm just gonna strain it. So now I'm gonna be adding the onions to the sauce. And am I supposed to be putting a lid on the sauce? Or
No, you add half of the sour cream and then you add the spaghettis.
like half of the whole container?
Yeah, I used to put the whole container. Yeah, the more the better.
Oh shoot. Right here I'm just adding about half of the Coca Cola.
The Coke is the last thing that you put in because it's the family secret. And then you add the rest of the mantequilla.
The whole thing?
Then just have to add a little bit more to go with it. To boil for at least 10 minutes.
Oh man. Hold up, I'll show you the...
Let me see. Oh yes, you got them
Yeah,
right.
there we go.
They look good.
You can see I made a mess there.
No, hey, it always happens. I always have to end up cleaning the stove every time I do the spaghettis like that.
So when you serve the dish, you want to put rice on half of the plate. Now that our spaghetti is done, you'll want to put this on the other half. All right, so this is how you typically serve it. You'll normally like mix them up as you're eating it. So you get spaghetti, some rice, and then I normally grab a hot dog. It's really good. Yeah,
Told you.
it came out good. It's not as good as how you make it, but it's like, it's getting there. Yeah. Thanks everyone for joining me and my mom in my kitchen. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about this dish today, and I hope you guys give it a try. Bye, Ma.
Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. You will.